आस्था को रौंदने की निरंतर कोशिश हो रही है।
फिर उसके बाद आप कहते हैं कि हिंदू कट्टर हो रहा है।
राहुल गांधी कांग्रेस पार्टी का ही शिकार कर बैठे।
I will defend the Prime Minister of my India.
लेफ्ट देखो तो मोदी, राइट देखो तो मोदी, बीच में देखो तो मोदी।
We are here in Churachandpur's Martyr Park right now in the conflict-torn state of Manipur.
Residents said that the BJP will not just flounder in Coimbatore but across Tamil Nadu.
Despite Prime Minister Narendra Modi's multitude of promises for the benefit of the farmers, the cry for MSP has never been louder.
The Quint is here on ground in Mathura, which is one of the driest cities in Uttar Pradesh.
The Hindutva and right-wing organizations have doubled down on their efforts to make the Krishna Janmabhoomi temple an issue ahead of the 2024 polls.
क्या बिहार बदल रहा है? वोटर अब जाति की राजनीति से अलग रोजगार और इंडस्ट्री की मांग कर रहे हैं।
Systemic efforts at converting and cementing Uttarakhand as India's Devbhoomi.
पेपर लीक एक बड़ा चुनावी मुद्दा उभरकर सामने आया है।
Rahul Gandhi is returning to contest from Wayanad for a second time, but is the contest going to be as easy as it was in 2019?
What you see around me is a farm which is burned because of heat and drought.